Once upon a time, in a lush valley nestled between rolling hills, there grew an extraordinary vine. This was no ordinary vine, for it bore not leaves, but grapes, not just any grapes, but grapes of wisdom. One day, a curious young student named Sam stumbled upon this magical vine while on a field trip. He had heard tales of the vine and its grapes, but he never truly believed them. That was until he plucked a single grape and swallowed it. Suddenly, Sam felt a strange sensation. His mind seemed to open up, and he found himself immersed in a world of knowledge. He discovered that each grape represented a different subject: history, science, mathematics, and more. He plucked a grape from the vine and found himself in the midst of a grand battlefield. He was learning about history as he watched great armies clash. He understood the strategies, the tactics, and the consequences of war. Next, he plucked a grape from another part of the vine. He found himself in a vast laboratory, surrounded by test tubes and beakers. He learned about the mysteries of the universe, the properties of elements, and the secrets of chemistry. He plucked another grape and found himself in a mathematical wonderland. He learned about the beauty of numbers, the power of algorithms, and the intricacies of calculus. Sam was amazed. He had never learned so much in such a short time. He realized that the grapes of the magical vine were not just delicious, but they were also a treasure trove of knowledge. He decided to share his newfound wisdom with the world. He began to teach others about the subjects he had learned from the grapes. His students were amazed, and they quickly spread the word about Sam's magical vine of knowledge. Word reached the king, who was impressed by Sam's wisdom. He invited Sam to his court and offered him a position as his advisor. Sam accepted, and he continued to learn from the magical vine, sharing its wisdom with the king and his kingdom. And so, Sam lived happily ever after, surrounded by knowledge and wisdom. He had discovered that learning could be fun and exciting, and he shared this lesson with everyone he met. The magical vine of knowledge continued to grow, nurturing the minds of all who visited it. And that, dear students, is the story of the magical vine of knowledge and its grapes. Remember, knowledge is not just something to be memorized, but it is a treasure to be discovered and shared. So, go out there and pluck your own grapes of wisdom.